Today's video, how to get a PDF page count in C#. Do you need to know how many pages a PDF has programmatically in C#? You can do it in 3 lines with IronPDF. And once you have those 3 lines, the same pattern handles a URL, a file path, or an entire folder of PDFs you've never seen before. So let me show you how it works. Quick prerequisite before we touch any code, you need IronPDF NuGet package installed and a license key dropped into the program.cs file. Free trial key works for everything that we're about to do, so there's that option. So with that out of the way, here's the simplest version. Load a PDF off disk with pdfdocument.fromFile. We pass it the file path as a string and read the page count property. Print it to the console, and that's the whole tutorial in one breath. PDF document is the class that does the heavy lifting. From file is how you point it at a local file, and page count is the property that you want. Now, in real code, you don't trust a file path. So let's harden it. Wrap that same call in a file.exists check first. If the file is there, load it with pdfdocument.fromFile and print the page count exactly like before. If it isn't, print a message instead of letting the program crash. That's 2 extra lines, and you stop shipping bugs to users who rename their downloads folder. All right, same pattern, different source. PDF document has a from URL method that takes a URL string and pulls the PDF straight off the web. Hand it the URL, read page count, and done. This is the version you want when you're auditing externally hosted documents, hitting an API that returns PDFs, or processing anything generated server-side that you never actually saved to disk. All right, so here is where it gets interesting. Point at a folder and let it loop. Directory.getFiles takes a folder path and a pattern like star.pdf and hands you back every match. For each file, you call pdfdocument.fromFile, grab a page count, and print the file name alongside the page total. So instead of one number, you get a clean file readout for the whole directory. One small detail that matters is scale. Wrap the per file work in a try-catch. PDFs in the wild are super messy, and one corrupted file shouldn't take down a job that's processing 100 more behind it. So catch the exception, log which file failed, and then just keep going. That's the difference between a script and something that you actually leave running overnight. So let's hit run, and you'll see the page counts roll in. The local file, the URL loaded PDF, and every file in the folder, each printed with its file name. Same property, 3 different sources, 1 consistent output. And that's it. 4 pieces, and you can pretty much audit any pile of PDFs that you got on your hands. We hope that you found this tutorial useful. We got plenty more C# shortcut tutorials coming your way, so don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to check out IronPDF, we have a link in the description for a free trial. Download, install, check it out.